Drones are considered aircraft, so we need to follow air law. It means that drones are also considered in the same level as private planes, commercial planes, or even helicopters. So the drone pilots operating the drone or the unmanned aerial vehicle needs to abide by these laws. Now, when we're doing data collection in sensitive areas or protected areas, we need to obtain the necessary permits from the local government, the residents, and the stakeholders involved in the project. This is done for safety and also to protect the privacy of the people involved in the data collection process. Now, it would help the drone pilot or even the research team if the pilot has a license, because this will be easier for the research team or the people involved in data collection to obtain the necessary permits from the authorities.